Good morning friends, here I am going to show you the fundamental analysis of B&A Packaging India Limited. So you can see on the screen the long-term chart of the company, how the company was basically moving from 2019 from you can say 40-30 rupees, uh, 4 rupees, 4 rupees now in 2009, but now it is showing 230 rupees, 208 rupees right now, 220 rupees. So it is very excellent multi-bag return by the company. Why it has happened, you can just check the we will see in the coming time what is the reason behind this particular move. This is the delivery, you can see 100% delivery every day. Okay, and this is the monthly delivery also 100%. People are buying and forgetting. This kind of company is this. And this is the latest corporate news. Company is paying dividend consistently, and if you check the technicals, all are neutrals. And if you go to fundamental and check the quarterly overview, so you will see the company's overview. It is from paper product company, packaging company. Right now the price 220, market cap 108, earning EPS 20 and EP is 10. Very good P right now. And book value per share is 107 and price to book is 2, dividend is nothing, and number of shares 0.5, very less share in the market. And if you check their website, this is the website of the company. If you see that this company is dealing in lot of the packaging activity with the help of the paper product. Okay, BN is companies into the paper sacks and flexible laminated manufacturing business, having the head office in Kolkata, West Bengal, and Balasore, Odisha. Okay, yeah, these are the some, you can go the paper sacks and flexible laminates. So these are the different product of the company. Okay, so you can see how the company is dealing in different packaging, and you can see these are all our packaging is done by the B&A company. Good company. Okay, let's see about the quarterly result. You will see the latest quarter is 35 crore. If you see the last September 2020, company's sales is growing from 28 crore to 35 crore. Similarly, company is paying low interest, which is also a good sign. Along with that, company's PAT is also increasing 4 crore to 4 crore into 20 September, but now it is 4 crore again. In the between, the company's sales was down because of lockdown and other thing. When you check the annual return, you will be surprised that company is moving their annual return increasing their sales exponentially. Okay, 58 crore to 96 crore. EBITDA is also growing 7 crore to 16 crore. Company increasing their margin as well. Interest is also decreasing. All are positive sign. Okay, and these are the different ratio: return on equity 25, return on capital 34, return on asset 16. And if you go into the efficiency ratio, and you will see the EBITDA margin 19%. Margin is growing every year. Book value is exponentially growing from 40 rupees to 193 rupees. Okay, very good. And working capital also very consistent, not moving very high, not very low. Okay, and just check the financial of the company. Okay, you see the shareholder pattern, just consistent, 5, never never change their equity capital. And reserve is also growing from 15 crore to 42 crore. Okay, this is non-current asset is also you can say 19 crore, current asset is 56 crore. All are very positive sign. Cash and bank 5 crore. Consistent exponential growth company. Net sales is growing exponentially after reducing expenditure, and company still created an 11 crore profit. Okay, now if you check the shareholder pattern, and you will see that promoters holding intact 74.39%, single share they are not selling, and public is buying and forgetting, non-institution also is buying and forgetting. So this is a very long term story. B&A company is holding this particular company 71%. Somnath Chatterjee, these are different promoter. Okay, and some people are also from foreign, which is holding this company. Okay,